guys, welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, my name is Anna, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a barrel bag. Now this bag has been an ongoing trend for a while, and I wanted one for myself. I have one, but I wanted to make another one. So in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to make it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can know the latest posts and videos that I put up. Now these are the pieces that you're going to first need. You're going to need your outer fabric, your inner fabric, and pattern pieces. Now the pattern piece, you're going to need a circle piece. You can use any object you have to help you create the circle piece, and you need it in half, so you can already use the pin to indicate where that half is. But then we're going to fold it over again to indicate where the other half is. You're going to use the same process you used on the circle fabric on the actual bag. So fold it in half, use a pin to indicate where the half is, open it back up, fold it in half the other way, use the pin to indicate where that half is. Now, after this part is over, we're going to try and match those 4 pins together with the matching pair, if that makes sense. Now, sometimes there's cases where it will not match perfectly. That is okay. That is totally fine. You can just adjust it, fix it, and make it work. After that, you're going to sew around the circumference of the circles. So just sew a circle around it. It should look something like this, and we're going to repeat the same steps on the other side. After repeating the same steps, this is how mine came out to look. I'm just going to trim out a couple of excess pieces on this that we don't need. Now, there's an additional step that I got a little bit too lazy at the end and did not feel like completing it, but it still looks perfect. It still came out fine, so the other step didn't really matter to me. But this is how my bag looks like. Again, I'm cutting away any excess pieces on the bag, and I am totally in love with this bag. I didn't think it was going to come out like this, but let me tell you, I love it. I love it. I love it. You know, when it's your first time making something, so you're not really sure how it's going to turn out. Well, let me tell you, this bag turned out nice. I got so many compliments. I posted it on my Instagram story and I got great positive feedback, so I'm definitely going to make more videos similar to this because it looks like you guys are enjoying my bag videos. But don't forget to comment down if there's any videos you guys would like for me to make, because sometimes I'm like, what should I do today? What should I record today? I don't know. But if you guys comment it below and you tell me what you would like to see, I will do it for you guys. But this is how the bag came out. Look at how cute this bag is. Also, I made a bell-bottom pants to match with the bag. That video will be up soon, so stay tuned. But this, I love this bag. It is so cute. It is so cute. Like, you could rock it with a lot of outfits, and it's just with this fabric. Imagine trying it with some fire ass fabric. You will get so many compliments everywhere you go, and there's so much room in this bag.